Everything I'm saying in this motherfucker is all props.
This shit is not real.
Just in case the police listen.
Man, that motherfucker's wicked, bro.
Oh, the police? Oh. Alright, YouTube. Back with it, STINO RWD. I already know what's going on. I ain't gonna say too much this video. Y'all see the 360 on that motherfucker. Y'all see the SRT with that motherfucker. You like that, shorty? Some content, and I'm behind a little Daytona motherfucker. I hope he do a little something for y'all. Damn, my shit smell like rubber. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there we go. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Uh-huh. Y'all, we ain't racing. We just I don't know what the fuck we just doing. Cause if he wanna do that, I'll put my shit in custom. It ain't. Huh? I'm just driving around for real.
You got money, huh?
They say you got money. I'm trying to be like you. I'm trying to be like me. I'm just riding around. Just trying to do a little cutting. It look like he just want to ride. Tell him, you got money, bitch. You got money. You want to follow me? Woo! I let her cut that, shorty. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Hey, he gonna blow up his engine. I don't know where. Come on, I don't know where I'm going. I can control the track in a custom because it bite down on the ground, but the
The sport mode be on some other shit. You hear what I'm telling you? Sport mode be doing its own thing. Fuck the police. Fuck the police. Ooh, what the fuck is that? Ooh, y'all heard that motherfucker burble? And it's an attention seeker, like motherfuckers like that be loving to chase me and do dumb shit like that. Mind you, I'm 3-0. It's 3-0, 4-0. I'm something to know for real. If this police try to do some dumb shit, I'm gonna do some dumb shit and run away. Don't play with me. I don't give a fuck about the police. I really don't give. I don't give a fuck about them because I know they can't fuck with me for real. You feel what I'm saying? I'm 3-0, like how I said. I might be 4-0, but I'm 3-0 statistically for certain, factual. Yes, 3 times on the boys for sure. You feel what I'm saying? They can't fuck with me. I done been in a box. I done been boxed in. I done been this, that, and the third. Oh, the police. Oh. Chasing me. Come on, dummy. Let's cut up. Let's cut up. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Is he alright? He good. Come on, come on. Come on. He's still behind us. Come on, Diamond. Come on, Diamond. Come on, Diamond. Come on, Diamond. He's behind me. We alright. Relax. Come on. We done got on the chase. I just talk about it. And my little brother behind me, and we chopping up. And I caught that bitch on camera. I'm 5-0. Fuck is you talking about? Hold on, let's stop talking for a minute. Let's get home safe. Let's get home safe. We was chopping. Oh my God. He wasn't going to stop. He telling me go. He like go. He flick. I seen him flicking the lights. I'm like, what's going on? Police. Ooh, let's get home.